Good morning. We are going to go get some donuts at Krispy Kreme Donuts this morning. Good morning. Let's get going here. So what a morning this morning in Tucson. I know some of you saw my earlier live streaming. If you haven't checked out, make sure to go check it out, okay? Because it's been snowing in Tucson. We don't get that often, so it's been really treat. So I was planning on doing the scale review, but you know what? With this weather, I think we're gonna do another coffee recipe. And then the other day I was watching James Hoffmann's The Donut Coffee. So you know what? My son wants to go to Krispy Kreme Donut this morning. So I got some dozen donut here. So I have a dozen donuts. I'm going to make donut coffee like James did. So let's try. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. So pretty much comes to how many donuts you want to use is up to you, how much sweeter your coffee wants to be. So donut looks good, still hot, okay? Still nice and hot. So I'm going to be using about 400 grams of milk, like so. Have the milk right now. I'm just going to boil it a little. I'm planning on using 4 donuts, okay? You got 1. I'm sorry, did I say 4? 2. Okay, let's do 2. Just like so. Okay, so now we have this beautiful extraction of a Krispy Kreme donut milk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put store in the refrigerator for a second. So this morning I'm just gonna use an espresso blend. I'm gonna be using, let's do like 18 to 19 grams, about 25 seconds, and I have about 43 grams out. So this is pretty good, okay? But meantime, you are going to steam that Krispy Kreme. So the color wise, more like yellowish color here. I see the grease on the top, a lot of grease, oily. Something like that. Yeah, it looks pretty good there. How good is this? Because I saw the James's video. He thought just like eating and drinking Krispy Kreme donuts, but cheers everybody. I'm just gonna smell it first. I can smell the donut smell. So here we go. Not too sweet, okay, because I only use 2 donuts instead of like 3 or 4. You know what? Just like you are eating donuts and coffee at the same time, I'm just gonna shot of caramel, okay? Just 1 pump. So let's try this one. So it's gonna be Krispy Kreme caramel flat white. Cheers. No, you know what, guys? Do not try this one at home, okay? I think I prefer eat the donuts and drink the coffee instead of coming up with a milk base with Krispy Kreme donuts. Yeah, it's not that interesting. I like the concept of the mixing, but it comes to the taste wise, it's definitely questionable. Okay, it's not that great. It's not that great. I hope this video helps. Okay, and this is definitely fun to do. Okay, fun to do with your family members, and just kind of like conversation piece. And then if your friends come over, maybe you can show your coffee techniques and coffee recipes.